Hi, I'm inviting you to a session on February 20th. If you already have a Wix site and I've already helped you create it, some of you might have published it, some of you might not have published it. Doesn't matter. Please come to the site. I want to teach you to fish. I want to show you how you go into the back end. I've created a resource of videos for you so that you're able to practice changing things that you'd like to change on your Wix site. And then when you're home or back in your store, you'll be able to change those things on your Wix site. So I'm pretty excited about that. Also, there's elements on the Wix site. So these are, a ton of people that we've helped, a ton of businesses publish their sites or get them going. So what I want you to know how to do is go into the back end and start your search engine optimization journey. A lot of you, we've created the site together, but we haven't put in the search engine optimization requirements for Google to find your site. So we need to do that. Some of you, we have started doing that, but Wix has had all sorts of changes to it. So I want to show you the new search engine setup checklist that they have, and then you'll find that it's going to just walk you through things that might be missing on your current site, and it's going to give you tasks that are really easy to do to go in and change your site. So come on the 20th. It's a full day session for those who have started their Wix site. We're not creating Wix sites from scratch. We are going into the sites you've already started, and what we'll be doing is looking at how to get them found and looking how to get you ready to change your sites on your own. The second thing we'll be doing is on your Google listing is sharing with you how to add questions and answers to your Google listings, how to check your reviews. Your Google listings are so important to you getting found. So we'll be doing a lot of work on that on the 20th as well. So I'm hoping to see you then on the 20th. You want to bring your laptops, not your tablets or your cell phones, because you won't have as much abilities with them to do what we need to do those days. So see you then, and thank you very much for listening to me today.